In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart on Nintendo Switch 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna cover the main ways in which you will be able to play Mario Kart World on Nintendo Switch 2 with your friends. So, you can either use multiple controllers and share the same screen, or play online with your friends. First, I'm gonna be talking about multiplayer. This is going to be useful if all of you are going to be sharing the same screen. So all that you have to do to set this up is to connect as many controllers as you believe that you will need. So if you want to do 4-player split screen, you will need 4 controllers. If you want to do 2-player split screen, only 2 controllers, and so on. If you are going to be doing 2-player split screen, you can actually take apart the left and right Joy-Con and use these as the controllers for each player. So choose 2, 3, or 4 players, and once you highlight any of these options, they will ask you to connect your respective amount of controllers. Like I said before, if you have standalone controllers, then you can connect them, and once they are properly synced to the console, they will appear here. Or if you want to take apart the Joy-Cons, so press left plus right on each of the Joy-Cons, and they will be connected to the respective slots here. So this is how you should hold the Joy-Con if you are going to be separating them for player 1 and player 2. Alternatively, if you go over to online play, you can choose to play alone with random people or invite a friend and play together online. So choose any of these 2 options and you will see all of the modes here. Then you can go over to friends and create a room to play together. So one of you will have to create a room, everyone else is going to be able to join. So create a room, choose your character, choose your card, and then go over to view room info. You can open this menu by pressing the plus button. Once you choose view room info, you will see the room ID displayed here. You can share this with your friend and they will be able to join once they search for the room ID. You can also queue up and play together online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart on Nintendo Switch 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.